without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power. This beautiful quote was said by the first Home Minister of Independent India, the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Good morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal Sir, Supervisor, teachers and my beloved students. I, Gagandeep Kaur, welcome you all for the observation of National Unity Day on the 146th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This day is observed to memorize the unity of India since independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an instrumental role in the Indian freedom movement. The nationalist, freedom fighter and a true statesman is known for the unity of 162 princely states and is believed to be the Bismarck of modern India. For his tireless effort, the Government of India announced the day of his birth anniversary as the National Unity Day in the year 2014. There is something unique in this soil, which despite being obstacle has always remained the abode of great soul. It is now time to commemorate the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India by paying floral tribute. May I request everyone to please come forward. Our little budding talent, Jasmeet Jasraj Biswal of Standard 3, who is dressed as little Vallabhbhai Patel.
My dear brothers and sisters, as you all know, I have united 562 princely states of modern India to build the Republic of India. My vision is to integrate the people in the country, irrespective of people's caste, gender or religion. My non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be a measure of our success. India should be a good producer and no one should be hungry. Take to the path of dharma, the path of truth and justice. Don't misuse your valor. Manpower without
the worldly tree which has the branches made out of unity. These branches branch out in every direction as far as we can see, and they hold the different aspects of human life. These aspects are filled with the essence of harmony and unity. The world is a very large place to explore, imagine and observe. But as always, a large venture can always be accomplished with a small step. The large job to unify different parts of India, different ideologies of the people of India was really a Herculean task, but it was accomplished with bliss by the Iron Man. Yes, his words, actions and thoughts are harder than iron, and it can't be trampled under anyone's evil fury. Yes, he is Sardar Vallabhbhai Jabebhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. He incarnated on this earth's surface on the very well day when I am reciting his glorious name. I pay my heartfelt gratitude on the 147th year of birth of these pious souls. Unity is a national and worldwide accepted topic. Discussions are going on and it needs to be applied in every sphere of human life. We all can think about the COVID times when the world was suffering, but we were ignorant about the situations of the peoples of India. Many families were fully quarantined. Many small businesses were closed, but we were selfish. That should not be the attitude of the people who wants the country to be a developed nation. This attitude needs to be changed to be a step ahead towards India's development. It is a fact that human tendency is to follow what the crowd does. So why shouldn't we put ahead a unified step towards the development of our nation? Thank you everybody. Have a nice day ahead.
Now I would like to welcome Mrs. Sudipta Das Madam for her inspirational word.
Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. This year our nation is celebrating 75 years of independence under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. We are proud and blessed Indian. A very good morning everyone, respected principal staff, supervisors, my dear colleagues and my honorable students. I extend you all a warm welcome on the occasion of National Unity Day. What do you mean by national unity? Why do you celebrate this day? Now I am going to explain. The safety and preservation of state as well as India demand unity and mutual cooperation among different parts. By common endeavor, we can raise the country to new greatness, while lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. Those are the ironic version of the man whose birth anniversary 31st October is celebrated nationwide as National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekata Divas. He is none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. The intent is to pay tribute to Patel, who was instrumental in keeping India united. He was the architect of national integration of independent India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in Nadia district of Gujarat to Mr. Javed Patel and Ladva Patel on 31st October 1875. He studied law and was one of the most successful lawyers of that time. In 1917, he joined India independence struggle after he met Mahatma Gandhi. Being inspired by his ideology, he encouraged Indians to sign a petition demanding complete Swaraj or self-rule. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and as Home Minister during political integration of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is often referred as the father of the Indian Constitution and as a key member of Constitutional Assembly. He was one of the founding leaders of Republic India. He died on 15th December 1950. He was posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India. His commitment to national integration in the newly independent country was totally uncompromising, earning him the sobriquet of Iron Man of India. He is also remembered as the patron saint of India civil servants for having established modern all-India service system. He is also called as the unifier of India. The Statue of Unity, the world's current tallest statue of approximately 182 meters, was dedicated to him on 31st October 2018. There were many who used to think that a diverse country like India can never be united. It will fall apart. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel showed how it is done. We should learn how to grow from strength to strength and how to stay united. He used Kaulya's wisdom and Shivaji's bravery to achieve the great feat of uniting India after partition. He did something unparalleled from Kutch to Kohima and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. He united the country. It is because of him only that we can travel to all great sites and meet great people of any state within India without visa. Present day India was an innumerable debt of gratitude to the vision, fact, diplomacy, pragmatic approach of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in preventing balkanization of the country and merger of more than 500 princely states to Union of India. What makes the stupendous integration more remarkable is that it was achieved without bloodshed. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had always a vision for Shresth Bharat. The day gives us the message to stay united forever. So, it is the need of the hour India becomes strong enough to handle this pandemic situation tactfully and bring a speedy recovery of health and economy of the nation. I wish all of us join hands together to fight against this situation in whatever capacity we can and improve the lives of people. Let peace be exist everyone. Let everyone carry good health and good fortune. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam, for such a valuable speech. Now, may I call Mrs. Manorma Das, madam, for the pledge. Kindly rise up for the pledge.
Good morning. Let's take the pledge on Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Kindly raise your hand. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread the message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification contribution
to make my own contribution
to ensure
to ensure
internal security
of
my country. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Now I request Mrs. Mosmi Datta Madam to propose the vote of thanks.
Very good morning to one and all present over here. Reverend Principal Sir, esteemed supervisors, respected colleagues, and my dear beloved students. On the worthy occasion of National Unity Day, I deem it an honor of privilege to propose a few words of gratitude. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Principal Sir for his support